So, these boys don't swear say Abramovich must to sack me, abi? No problem, but I must to kill them before them sack me. Hello? Who be this?
Sorry, how markets for your sorry ball now?
Now who they talk? I go cut this call or...
It be like say very soon you go come join me for unemployment line.
Oh, Mourinho, now you? Why you they call me with unknown number now?
I hear say your boys go Etihad Stadium, go open yash. Them not even want to make you complete one season with them. Or even carry one trophy. They won't pursue you come out.
Now their papa them go pursue.
You see this life na turn by turn no. When those boys they misbehave for Man U, you they laugh me. Nah, as I dey see you not go even complete one season for Stamford Bridge.
Say, Mourinho, I don't see say you no get waiting to talk, abi?
You see as it pain, ba?
Your papa there, idiot. What be that? Just come out, no disturb me.
Nothing like that. Sorry, I be the chairman of Aboro Chelsea fans community, and I dey come on behalf of all the Chelsea fans in the world to tell you say make you stop this your useless sorry ball, or we go end this your career for Stamford Bridge, even before Oga Abramovich sack you.
Oh you be? You dey mad? You just scatter my door. Now him you dey tell me rubbish. Now you give me job.
You like say you know the hear word. I go only tell you one more time. Stop sorry ball or leave Chelsea.
Now you them give coach work. Say, no disturb me for here. Security! Come pack this man, come out for here.
And the security when my boys don't corner for one room, you they call for me. We die here.
Ah, my eye, oh.
Come on, Jorginho. Who can't take for him position?
Nothing like that. My head, oh.
Jorginho no sabi defend. Him no sabi attack. Come on, Jorginho.
Never.
First one na 2-0. Second one na 4-0. You know how still gree change your game. Now they don't trash you 6-0. You still do strong head. The next one now go be 8-0.
I will never stop playing Sarri ball. Sarri ball for life.
Next time, make I hear Sarri ball.
What other changes do you think Sarri should make to his team? Let me know your thoughts on his 6-0 defeat at Etihad Stadium. And also, don't forget to check out our Sarri Goals shopping. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching.